In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Quen 3 AI to generate videos directly from text. So let's say I'm on my Quen 3, I've logged in. I can come all the way to more here. You can see video generation and you can type in what the video is all about. So can you generate the video of a lion riding a horse? Okay, so this is it, and I can specify the sizing. This is what I want, and I can just go ahead and say okay to this, and let's see the wonders what this is going to create for us. And take a look at what it has created for us. So let's click. You can see wonderfully it's a lion riding a horse in the bush. Very nice and very clear. Okay, so I think this is really interesting, and this is next level. So this is downloadable as well. You can download it if you're interested, and then you can share with your friends. You can download it from here. Okay, so go ahead and explore and see what kind of videos you can create with Quen 3. It's completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.